Okay, so now I'm starting. Atharva is there. Yes. Okay. So now multiplication of matrices. Let us do that. Multiplication of matrices. Now for a 2 by 2 matrix, so I have told you that addition, subtraction, how you can do, you know that. For matrices. Division is not possible because instead of division there is a concept called as inverse of a matrix. Okay, so that we are not going to do today. Today we are just going to do the multiplication part. Suppose there is a matrix A which is a 2 by 2 matrix and the elements of matrix A are 1, 4, 6 and -2. Similarly, B is another matrix of 2 by 2 order, same order, and the elements are 2, -1, 5 and 6. Now, always remember, in case of matrices, multiplication is not commutative. That is not equal to B into A. Just for matrices, you have to remember this. Also, suppose if you have, now you have to multiply matrix A and matrix B. So how will you do? Take the first row multiplied by first column. So 1 multiplied by 2 plus 4 multiplied by 5. That will be our first element of A into B. Next, take the first row and the second column. A ka first row and B ka second column. So that will be 1 into -1. Column and row. This row and this column. So 1 into -1 plus 4 into 6. Correct? Next, second row, first column. So 6 into 2 minus 5 into 2. No, or rather minus of 2 into 5, that is going to be plus 10. I am going to write it directly. And second row, second column. So 6 into -1 and minus of -2 again will become plus. So it will be 6 into 2, that is 12. So -2 into 6, no. 6 into -1 minus, that is, so both will be minus, yes. So यहाँ पे it will be -12, correct. So now what is the answer? 2 plus 20, 22. This becomes 22 again. 6 into -1 is -6. -6 minus 12 becomes -18 here. And upar 6 4s are 24. 24 minus 1, that is 23. Okay, have you understood the 2 by 2 multiplication? Online students, if you have any doubt, Atharva, if you have any doubt, please let me know. Please write in the chat box that you have understood how to do the multiplication. So 2 by 2 is very easy. No, it is also possible for 3 by 3. But first, I am explaining 2 by 2. So give the heading as multiplication of matrices. Write down this example. And in next week, maybe whenever there is Palki, no class will be there, but I am going to take your online class on Zoom. I will be sending the Zoom link and you all have to join there. Thursday, Friday. And I think Palki said, I think the same dates are there, if I am not wrong. Thursday, Friday only, na? So we will be taking class because we cannot afford to miss any class now. Alright. So 2.3 ka. Okay, now this is a 2 by 2 matrix which I have shown, multiplication of 2 by 2. Now we are going to do a 3 by 3 also. So please write this down first, then we will be doing a 3 by 3 matrix. Just a minute. Okay, write it down. Finished writing? Okay, write it down. Finished? Finished writing? Okay, so we'll go to the next now. A 3 by 3 matrix. So if A is a 3 by 3 matrix and B is also 3 by 3 matrix now. Please write this down. A matrix is -1, 1, 1. Horizontally I am telling you. 2, 3, 0. And 1, -3, 1. These are the elements in A matrix. Similarly, B matrix, 2, 1, 4, 3, 0, 2, 2, 1, 4, 3, 0, 2, and last one is 1, 2, 1. So you have to do A multiplied by B. So again the same thing, follow the same method. First take this row into this column. Write down the first element. So that will be -1 into 2 is -2 plus 3 plus 1. I am going to directly write it by multiplying. Then first row, second column. So -1 into 1 is -1 plus 2. And the third element is -4 plus 2 plus 1, that is 3. Similarly, now take the second row, first column. So 2 2s are 4, 4 plus 3 3s are 9 plus 0. Okay. Then here it will be 2 plus 0 plus 0, that is 2 only. Next, 4 2s are 8 plus 6 plus 0. Is it right, Nidhi? Then 1 into 2 is 2, 2 minus 9 plus 1. Next, 1, 0, 2, 1 plus 2. And the next one is 1, that is 4 minus 6 plus 1. So in this way you will do the multiplication. So write down the elements now. -2 plus 3 is 1, 1 plus 1, 2. This is 13. This is going to be 3 and -6. This will become 1, 2, 3, -1 and -1. Okay, so this you have understood. Now you will do B multiplied by A and check whether A into B is equal to B into A. So for B into A, what you will do? You will take B matrix first and then multiply. So do it, come on. So write this down up till here and then tell me what is the answer of BA matrix. I hope everybody is understanding. If any doubt, please ask. Just a minute, I'm just going to open a few things. Okay, so now is it visible on the screen here? Can you see the question number 2 that is solved over here? Is it visible? Not clear? I am not able to do it like this. So the answer of BA should be 4 minus 7 6 minus 1 minus 3 5 and 4 4 2. Please check whether you are getting the same answer. Online students, is this visible? Please tell me. Please write in the chat box. Done? Finished? Did you get the same answer? Huh? I am going to tell you row wise. 4 minus 7 6 minus 1 minus 3 5 4 4 2. Perfect. So that means is now check whether AB is equal to BA. Is it equal? AB is not equal to BA. So this is not commutative. So this is from exercise 2.3 question number 2. So now please mark the questions which we are going to do from 2.3. Yes. Okay, question number 7. Question number 7. Then we will be doing 9th, 11th, 13, 15. Please mark the questions. So now which we are going to solve the 7th one, right? Now in the 7th question they have given if a plus I is some number, some elements which they are given, some matrix, then you have to find out the product of a plus I into a minus I. So now what is I here? Can you tell me, Nidhi? No, I is an identity matrix over here. I. Okay. So they have given us that a plus I, this is the 7th question from the exercise. A plus I is given to us as 1 2 0, 5 4 2 and 0 7 minus 3. So now from this can you find out A? You know what is I? You know the value of I, right? I is an identity matrix which can be written as 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Because you have to find out matrix A. Matrix A is not given to you. You will have to find out the answer, correct? So 0 7 minus 3. Why? The right hand side will be as it is. Okay. Now we have to find out matrix A. So what do we need to do? We need to shift this entire matrix to this side. So it will go in, yes, that's it. So A is easy to find out, is it? Please write along with me. So it will be minus 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. So from this we are going to find out A. So A value is going to be 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 0 2, 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 0 5, 0 minus 0 0, then 4 minus 1 3, 2, 7, minus 3 plus 1 minus 2. So this is our A. So this is your A. Now we are going to find out A minus I. So what will be A minus I now? Again, from A subtract I values. So 0 minus 1 is minus 1. 2 minus 0 2. 0 minus 0 0. Are you understanding this part? Then 5 2 5 2 2. And it is 0 0 1 for this. So 0 minus 0 is 0. Again 7. And this is going to be minus 1. This is minus 2, right? So, what is the value of A? Are you getting the A matrix like me? Correct, no? So now 7 will remain as it is, and what will happen to this? I made a mistake over here. Minus 3 minus 1, this is going to be minus 4, isn't it? This is no, see, minus 3 minus 1, that is minus 4. So this is, so when I do A minus I, minus 4 plus 1 or minus 4 minus 1, because 1 is here now, so this will become minus 5. So we have got A minus I, we also know A plus I. Now I am going to multiply these two. So what is A plus I? So I am going to write this A plus I multiplied by A minus I. I am going to write this now. So that is equal to, I am going to write A plus I wala matrix, which is nothing but 1 2 0 5 4 2, which is given to us already, and A minus I we have found out. So I am going to multiply these two now. Minus 1 2 0 5 2 2. So multiply these two to get the final answer. So A plus I into A minus I. Now I am going to do, take the first row, first column. So I am directly going to write down the answer. 1 into minus 1 is minus 1, 5 plus 2 is 10. Next, first row, second column, 1 into 2 is 2, plus 4 plus 0. Last, 0 plus 4 plus 0. So this is 4 itself. Next, second row, take the second row, first column. So 5 into minus 1, minus 5, plus 4 5s are 20, plus 0. Next, 5 2s are 10, plus 4 2s are 8, plus 7 2s are 14. Next element, 0, 4 2s are 8 and minus 10. And the last will be 0 minus 1 is 0, 7 3s are 35. Again this is going to be 0, 7 2s are 14. So 14 minus 21. And the last one would be 0, 7 2s are 14 and 5 3s are 15. Yes, where?
14 minus 21.
Because this is the 0 only. So 7 into 2 is 14. Minus 3 into 7. Minus 21. So the last answer, the last of the elements which I am going to get is 9, 6, 4. 9, 6, 4, then comes 15, 32, minus 2, and last is 35, minus 7, and 9, 29. Okay, so I hope everybody has understood. This is the 7th question that we have solved from the exercise 2.3. Now, which is the next sum we are going to solve? Ninth one. So, in ninth one, they have given A is given to us, okay, as 1, 0, minus 1, 7. So, the ninth one, we are solving the ninth one from the exercise. So, A is given to us as 1, minus 1 and 7. And you have to find out A square minus 8A plus Ki, minus Ki is equal to 0. So what is I over here?
Ma'am, what is the number? Where I is 2 into 2 units, 2 into 2 minus. And
So
0 is then
0.
matrix of order 2.
0. Take it as 0. Right hand side will be 0. So find out what is 8A. 8A is going to be 8 minus 8, 0 and 56. Also find out what is A square. A into A.
1, 49.
So what is your A square? 1, 0, minus 8 and 49. That is going to be your A square. A into A, na? So second column into first row. So minus 1 into 1 plus 7 into 1. That is 8. Minus 8. Minus 7. Okay. So this is my A square. Now I am going to substitute over here to get the value. Okay. So 1, 0, minus 8, 49. Minus 8, minus 8, 0, 56. And if you observe, I am going to take this entire term to the right hand side. So Ki will become K 0, 0, 0, K 0, 0, 0, K. I have multiplied K into I. So, oh sorry, this is a 2 by 2 matrix.
Multiplied K by 1.
Correct. So now do the subtraction. So 1 minus 8 is minus 7, 0 minus 0, 0. This becomes 0. And 49 minus 56 is how much?
7.
Minus 7. So what is the value of K? By equality of matrices, I can say the value of K is equal to minus 7. Easy?
Yeah.
So do it. Write it down.
There is the equal sign we can use.
Equality. Yes. So the value of K is going to be minus 7. I hope everybody has understood this part. Or here I can show you. Ma'am,
that's fine.
Yes, I know this is better, but I am just showing you the answers so that you can verify it. Nothing else. and it becomes easy for me also, because it's very difficult to write with a mouse. Yes, I can, but on the recording then it won't come correctly. It will, but I don't want to do that. This digital part is more better. Okay, so is it done? Understood? Value of k is equal to -7. Now I guess we are going to do the 11th one, right? Yes. Take your time, complete it. If you have any doubt, online students, please feel free to ask if you have any doubt. Atharva is there, right? Finished? Now we are going to do the 9th one. 9th one is done. Okay, now we are going to do the 11th one. Yes, but see here, can you see it over here? You can take the book so that it becomes easier for you to see. Question number 8. You can take the book with you. It's okay. So in question number 8, if you see, a square minus 4a is a scalar that you have to show. So after you find out what is a square minus 4a, what you can do is, that answer comes out to be 500,050,005. So now you know you can take 5 common in order to show that it's a scalar multiplication. Take 5 common. No, because 5 is here, no? 500,050,005 is the answer. See, if all the, here in this particular case you can see that 5 is common to all. So you can take 5 as common. The answer of a square minus 4a. What is the answer of a square minus 4a? Question number 8. Yeah. See, this is the answer over here. Come here. I'll show you. See, this is the question. Yeah. This is the question. Yeah. This is the answer. Yeah. In the answer, you can see that 5 is common to all. Yeah. So I am going to take 5 outside the bracket and then write it down as 100,010,001. Okay, so that is a scalar multiplication. So you have to find out a square minus 4a first. So okay. They have done this, a into a minus 4 into a. Understood? Huh? No, you take it. I have it with me. So now do question number 11. Okay. So in question number 11, as you can see over here, a plus b whole bracket square का फॉर्मूला क्या है? So 2ab can be written as, okay, so a plus b whole bracket square, I'll show you. 11 sum a plus b whole bracket square can be written as a square plus ab plus ba plus b square. Correct? So now if you can see over here in this particular example, what they have done, a square. So what they have given us, the condition is given to us as a plus b whole bracket square is equal to a square plus b square. So this I am going to equate it to a square plus b square over here. Now tell me, can you cross a square and b square and take it as 0? Because this a square and this a square gets cut. This b square get. So what do you get? AB plus BA is equal to 0. Or you can find out AB is equal to minus BA. Okay, write down up till here. You can see from the book and write, it will be easier for you. So you have to solve it and show that LHS equal to RHS, and after you do that, you can just equate the matrices. So do it, the 11th one. So once you finish the 11th one, let me know. I want you to do some of the steps so that you understand how to solve the problems. Next one is next we are going to solve the 12th one or the 11th one. Now the 13th one is also very important because it is asked in the exam. July 21. So now I am going to solve that. Have you finished doing 11th one, Nidhi? So now we are going to do 12th one, right? No. We are going to solve the 13th one now. That 13th one is important. So I have the 13th one with me. I'll just write it over here. Similar type of questions you will have to solve on your own. Okay, I'm not going to solve. So now if you can see, the question is 4. Inside the bracket it is 2 minus 1 3, then 1 0 2, minus 3 4, 2 1 1, into this bracket, that is 2 minus 1 1. Those values are given to you as x and y. So first do the multiplication part. So what you will do, this entire bracket is in curly bracket, this one. So you have to solve the curly bracket first. Correct. And then multiply it by this, then you will get the values of x and y directly by equal. Multiply by 4, then do the subtraction also. So I'm going to solve the curly bracket. So it is going to be 8 4 0 8 12 minus 4, and minus this, that is 3 2 minus 3 1 4 1. This entire thing we will solve first. So what is 8 minus 3? 4 minus 2? It's minus sign in between, don't get confused with the signs. So minus 4, minus of minus 3 becomes plus 3. So minus 1, 12 minus 4, 8. So now you have to multiply this and this, 2 minus 1, 1, to get your answer of x comma y. So when you do the multiplication, it will be first row into, there is only one column. So you will get only 2 elements. So 5 into 2 is 10. Minus of minus 1 becomes plus 1. And plus 8 into 1 becomes plus 8. Next, 2 into 2 becomes 4. So what are the values of x and y? So x is 19, y is 12. This is 11 minus 1, na? Something is wrong. 2 2s are 4, 4 minus 1 plus 7. So 11 minus 1, that should be 10, is it? Let us check, wait. So this is correct. 4 into 2 is 8, 4 into 1 is 4, 0 minus 4, 12 and 8, correct. So 8 minus 3 is 5, minus 4 plus 3 is minus 1, 12 minus 4 is 8, 4 minus 2 is 2, 0 and minus 1. This should be minus 1. Now it will be minus of minus, that will become plus. So the value of x is 19, y is 12. So you have to check it like this. So this is the answer. Easy? Now which one we are going to do? After this 15th one. Okay, have you written it down? Easy? Okay, Jay and Ram are two friends. 15th one. I am reading the 15th question. Jay and Ram are two friends. Jay wants to buy 4 pens and 8 notebooks. Ram wants to buy 5 pens and 12 notebooks. The price of 1 pen and 1 notebook was rupees 6 and rupees 10 respectively. Using matrix multiplication, find the amount each of them requires for buying the pens and notebooks. So now what do you need to do in this? So basically you will form the matrix. So now in 15th one we are going to form the matrices. Now the matrices form will be, for A matrix will be, the first column will be of pens and the first row will be of J. This is pens, this is notebooks, this is J and this is Ram. Huh? So 4, 8, 5, 12. Similarly, you will write B matrix, pen and notebook. You can. So that's what we are going to do here. We are going to multiply A into B. No. Matrix form. Everything is in matrix form. You cannot do directly. And why multiplication? Because you have to find out the amount each one of them requires for buying pens and notebooks together. So it's a multiplication problem. So you will multiply. So find out A into B. A into B is how much? First row, first column. So 4 into 6 plus 8 into 10. That is 80. And second will be 5 into 6, 30. Plus 12 into 10, 120. So cost of pens and cost of notebooks. Cost of notebooks is 150. Cost of pens is 104. 24 plus 80. Notebooks, I am talking about pens. Pens is 104, notebooks is 150. Easy? Shall we move to the next? Properties of transpose of a matrix. Have they given the properties here? Yes. So these are the properties of matrix. For any matrix A transpose of transpose is going to be A. Is it correct, Nidhi? Write it down. Write down the properties of transpose of a matrix. For any matrix A transpose of transpose, that is AT of T, is going to be A. Second, if A is a matrix and K is a constant, then Ka transpose is Ka transpose. So these are all the properties which are important. We have already seen that when a matrix is symmetric, then A of T is equal to A, and when it is Q symmetric, A of T is equal to minus of A. That you already know. And A plus B transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. That is the third one. And the fourth one is AB transpose is B transpose into A transpose. It's correct. So it's quite easy. So can we start with exercise 2.4? A plus A transpose is symmetric. A is symmetric, A transpose is symmetric. So when you add them, it is going to be a symmetric. What is the meaning of symmetric matrix? When do we say that a matrix is symmetric? No, that is a square matrix. Symmetric matrix. Remember. Check whether we have written it in types of matrices in the notebook. Okay. Write down symmetric matrix. They must have given it in your textbook also. Just check in your textbook if they have given you the definition of symmetric matrix. Read it aloud. Square matrix means number of rows and number of columns are equal. That is correct. But when do we say that a matrix is symmetric? When its value is equal to 0. When the value of the determinant is equal to 0, then we say it's a symmetric matrix or singular matrix. So what is symmetric? Is one and the same. Means if you change the rows and columns ka number, it will still remain the same. So means, see now let us take one example. I'll explain you the symmetric matrix concept. If we take an example, let's say this is my matrix. What is the order of this matrix? 2 by 2. Same number of rows and columns. So that means I key value is 2 and j key value is also 2. But now if I take another matrix and if I write it in like this, j multiplied by I, that is first I write the number of columns. How many number of columns? Number of rows? So it is again a 2 by 2. So even if I change the number of rows and columns, but the order remains one and the same. You can say that. Square matrix. That in that case we will say no, A is equal to minus A transpose. That condition is there for skew symmetric. Yes, for skew symmetric. Yes. Understood? So from exercise 2.4, question number 2. They have given you Aij is a 3 by 3 matrix and the condition of Aij is given to us. So that is equal to 2 multiplied by I minus j. So find A and A transpose. So what will be A? First tell me what will be A. Have they mentioned the order of the matrix? 3 by 3 matrix. So A11 will be written as 2 multiplied by 1 minus 1, that is 0. A12. A13. A21. Plus 2. 2 minus 1, no? 2 minus 2, 0. 2 minus 3, minus 2, correct. And the last would be A31, 3 minus 1, 4. 3 minus 3, 0. So now find out the transpose of this. So 0, 2, 4, minus 2, 0, 2, minus 4, minus 2, 0. So is A transpose equal to minus of A? Look at the sum and tell me. I am going to say A transpose will give me minus of A. Each and every element has an opposite sign. Check. So is it a skew symmetric matrix? Easy. Now let us go to question number 5. The first one we will solve from question number 5, the first one. Please mark it so that you know what we have solved as classwork. Rest all is for homework. The important ones we are going to solve in the class. Rest all you will be doing it as homework because they are quite easy, these type of sums. Can you do it? Do question number 5, the first one. A plus B whole bracket transpose is A transpose plus B transpose, and then we will stop for today. So this is going to be our last sum for today. Please complete it. I am giving you some time to solve it. If you have any doubt, Atharva, you can ask me. So I hope that you have understood whatever I have taught today for 12th commerce, and I think we will be logging out now. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask me. If you have any doubts, please connect to me on with me on WhatsApp so that you can ask your doubts. Okay? So I think we'll stop here for today. Bye bye.